Homdox 3000 psi electric pressure washer 1800W power washer 1.76 GPM high pressure washer professional washer cleaner machine with 5 interchangeable nozzles 3000 psi. Product features: 1. High pressure washer, compact, upright design with axle mounted wheels allows easy rollaway mobility. Pistol style grip with trigger spray wand dispenses for efficient pressure washing. We offer 2-year warranty. 2. Powerful motor 1800 watt motor for maximum 3000 psi, 1.76 GPM cleaning power. Powered using an air-cooled industrial motor, and the power will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. 3. TDS, Total Stop System, Power washer features safety automatic total stop system, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. 33 feet power cord with inline GFCI for use on all exterior outlets. 4. 5 interchangeable nozzles and easy to store, from 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree and soap to tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks easily. You can choose high or low pressure to wash various surfaces. 5. Multifunctional, ideal pressure cleaning solution for all type of vehicles: cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs, and homes, driveways, decks and X. 20 feet high pressure hose are provided for greater reach. Product description: color green. Why Rendio 3000 psi electric pressure washer be the chosen one? It born as ultimate dirt fighter. 3000 psi at 1.760 GPM will blast through grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. High/low pressure operated freely. 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap. Tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. TSS automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Also can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability. 5 interchangeable high and low pressure nozzles wash various surfaces, and 6M high pressure hose for greater reach, and 10M power cord for use on all exterior outlets. Soap applicator to apply soap to completely clean any surface, ideal for homes, cars, boats, RVs, freeways, and decks. Product specification: material, plastic and metal. Dimension, 6139/34 cm. Power cord length 32.8 feet. High pressure hose length 19.7 feet. Voltage, 100-120 V/60 Hz. Wattage, 1800 W. Rated pressure, 2200 psi. Max pressure, 3000 psi. Flow rate, 1.70 GPM. Max inlet water pressure, 1 MPa. Protection type, IPX5. Water temperature, 0 to 40. Applications, for homes, cars, boats, RVs, driveways, decks. Package content: 5X nozzles, 1X high pressure washer, 1X10M electric cord, 1X6M high pressure hose, 1X spray gun, 1X connection lance, 1X adjustable spray lance, 1X water filter, 1X cleaning pin, 1X screwdriver and wrench, 1X manual.